On the morning of Monday in the month of Rabi al-Awwal, the messenger of Allah, Muhammad, may Allah bless him and grant him peace, passed away. His loss left a deep impact on the hearts of Muslims, as his death was a great turning point. It was known that Abu Bakr Al-Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, the closest companion to the Prophet and the first to believe in him, took a decisive stance that day. When he learned of the Prophet's death, he went to him and confirmed his departure. Then he went out to the people saying, "Whoever worshipped Muhammad, Muhammad has died, and whoever worshipped Allah, Allah is alive and will never die." With this guidance, Abu Bakr returned the companions to adhere to faith in Allah and His Messenger, and directed them to the fact that the Prophet's message does not end with his death. After that, the Muslims gathered in Saqifah Bani Saida to determine who would succeed the Prophet in leading the Ummah. This was a difficult and sensitive decision, as the companions were faced with the necessity of choosing a caliph who would preserve the unity of the Muslims and follow the path of the Prophet. After long consultations, they unanimously chose Abu Bakr al-Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, as he was the companion of the Prophet, his comrade, and the first to believe in his call. The appointment of Abu Bakr was an embodiment of trust and faith in the unity of the Islamic nation. After pledging allegiance to Abu Bakr, he began his first sermon on the caliphate, saying, "I have been appointed over you, and I am not the best among you. If I do well, then support me, and if I do wrong, then correct me." With this, he was expressing his humility and his sense of heavy responsibility. From that moment, the new caliph began to lead the nation. His main priorities were to preserve the unity of Muslims and confront any attempts aimed at destabilizing the nation, especially with the spread of the apostasy movement that the Arabian Peninsula faced after the death of the Prophet. Abu Bakr al-Siddiq, may God be pleased with him, led these confrontations with courage and wisdom, as he sent armies to repel the apostates and to confirm the stability of the call. Through his efforts and the sacrifices of the companions, he was able to preserve the continuity of Islam and the cohesion of the nation.